our number 6 article, it was titled Man versus Machine, and it addresses the age-old question of, will a robot take my job? I think in the past there was a lot of pessimism, I guess, if you will, about the role of people, the future role of people in factories. I think that's changing now. I think people are, I think machines now are seen as, handling the dirty, dull, and dangerous sorts of jobs, and people are seen as more collaborators with machineries and robots. Um, um, so the role of people here is to run the machines, keep the machines running, optimize those machines, and do the things that they do best, whether it's judgment, or it's manipulating intricate parts, things like that. um, maybe the sort of craft aspect of manufacturing, but it's this idea that robots are going to take my job is not really one that's very valid anymore.
But it's still kind of an issue, and you see, where I saw a lot of interesting conversation about that is on social media, LinkedIn. And that surprised me because, first of all, I didn't know that it was an issue to begin with, and second of all, I didn't know that people were so passionate about it.
Yeah, I think as John said, this is kind of the era of collaborative work. Certainly, collaborative robots have changed the whole perspective on that. We still see some things with artificial intelligence being more and more. A lot of companies like to talk about AI and how they're incorporating that in their products. That's still a concern to a lot of people. But most people are fairly optimistic, think that there's really a need for humans in manufacturing more than ever. And this is a trend that's expected to really continue. One term that I came across, actually, we've all heard about Industry 4.0. We've been talking about that for several years now. One of a term that's starting to come out is Industry 5.0, and actually that's coming out of Europe. Industry 5.0 is an emerging concept that addresses human-centric applications in manufacturing. So that's something I think we should all we'll hear more about in the year ahead.